In the drawing we have a white polyline, and this is going to form the basis of the shape of our custom curb return. Have a look at the start of the polyline. Now what we've done here is made sure that the start of this custom curb return is actually following the edge of travel way, and this really only has to be maybe about 3 or 4 feet, but what we've done is just made it follow through for a little bit longer, and the same goes with the very end. As we exit, you'll see here again that what we've done is made sure that that polyline is following directly over the top of the edge of travel way. Now you don't have to be exact with this. The software will actually move the position of the curb return so that it fits over the top of the edge of the travel way, but this is really to give the software a chance to calculate those instantaneous grades. Previously, if we started the curb return, and if we just zoom up to here, if we started the curb return directly at this radius and then began to move away, it does not give the software much of a chance to try and calculate the instantaneous levels and the grades. So we're just following along for a short while to see how this is managed. If you're using Civil 3D, you'll need to create a Civil 3D alignment using this particular polyline, making sure that the direction is starting from here. So we've got 0 here, and you're following the direction basically with the flow of traffic. If you're using Civil Site Design on AutoCAD and BricsCAD, we're going to go ahead and create that alignment now. So click on the Alignments tab, Create Alignment. Because I already had the polyline selected, it hasn't asked me to select it, so it's fine. I can see the arrow is pointing in the right direction, which means that that's the direction of traffic. Put the name in as follows. Once you've done that, you can uncheck Delete Existing Object. This keeps the polyline there. For whatever reason, we might need it later on. We don't need to worry about the annotation and labeling, not too concerned about that, so I'm just going to make those blank and then click OK. You should be able to see in the background we have that alignment created. We're now going to use that for the basis of our curb return. So we're going to go back to the Roads tab, click on Network Strings, Curb Return, click somewhere on the south side of the intersection. Now this time, rather than choosing Single Arc, we're going to pick Use Alignment, and we should have available our Road 1 Custom Curb Return available from the list. Let's click on Create Update Alignment. You can see how the software has done all of the trimming and tidying up. It's also had a chance to establish the vertical design. Now we're just going to open up the vertical grading editor when this closes. So we're going to click on Show VG on Close, click on Close. We can see how the software has generated two very large, but because of the length that's understandable, two very large reverse curves, which we can manage if we choose. Close down the vertical grading editor and press Escape to finish. Open up Model Viewer to have a look at the design.